Hi, I'm Roshika, a counseling psychologist at Amen Healthcare. Let's talk about the most misunderstood personality trait, being an introvert. So, let's clear something up. Being quiet doesn't mean being unhappy. Liking solitude doesn't mean being lonely. And introversion is definitely not the same as sadness. As an introvert, one of the most common things I hear is, "Are you okay? Why are you so quiet?" Or worse, "Why are you so serious all the time?" So, we live in a world that celebrates loud energy, constant talking, socializing, being on all the time. So, when someone is calm, reflective, or reserved, people assume something must be wrong. But nothing is wrong. Introversion is not a mood, it's a way of processing the world. Introversion is about energy, not sadness. Introverts recharge by being alone. Extroverts recharge by being around people. That's it. An introvert can be confident, socially skilled, emotionally stable, and happy. They just don't want constant stimulation. From a psychological perspective, introverts tend to process internally before speaking, prefer depth over small talk, feel drained by excessive social interaction, feel resolved by quiet, meaningful time alone. None of these equal depression or sadness. Sadness feels heavy. Introversion feels peaceful. So I'll share something personal. There were times when I was perfectly content, calm, grounded, just enjoying my own space. And someone would ask, "Why do you look upset?" And I remember thinking, I'm not upset, I'm just not performing. Introverts often are comfortable without constant external expression. We don't always need to broadcast what we feel. We don't always need the noise to feel alive. Sometimes we're just thinking, sometimes we're just being. And that's not emptiness, that's just presence. Here's a simple way to tell the difference between introversion and sadness. Ask if the person is at peace or in pain. Introversion looks like enjoying solitude, feeling restored after some alone time, having a rich inner world, even choosing quiet, not being forced into it. Sadness looks like withdrawal with heaviness, loss of interest, emotional fatigue, or wanting connection but feeling unable to. Introverts don't avoid people because they hate life. They just don't need constant interaction to feel fulfilled. A happy introvert can sit alone for hours and feel completely content. A sad person can be in a room full of people and still feel alone. That's the difference. Lastly, introversion is not a flaw. It's something not to fix. It's a different rhythm of life. The world needs people who listen deeply and observe carefully. People who think before they speak. People who are comfortable in stillness. If you're introverted, you're not missing out on life. You're experiencing it in a quieter, often deeper way. And if you know an introvert, don't assume they're sad. Sometimes silence isn't emptiness. Sometimes it's peace. So the next time someone is quiet, don't ask, "Why are you so serious?" Maybe ask, "Are you enjoying your space?" Chances are they are.